Hello everyone, Angelica here with Larry the Computer Guy. We are an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan, specializing in cybersecurity and compliance. Today in Malware news, government agencies face a higher level of unwanted attention from cyber criminals looking for troves of sensitive data to steal. Lately, a government agency in Scotland declared undergoing a ransomware attack wherein it lost 1.2 gigabytes of sensitive data to the hackers. Researchers claim that a Chinese app is involved in a series of attacks in Russia and Hong Kong. In other news, a slew of Android apps downloaded by over 10 million users were booted from the Google Play Store for functioning as adware. Google has dumped 164 Android applications installed by over 10 million users from its Play Store for bombarding users with out-of-context ads. We hope that you stay safe out there. Have a good week.